gonna take you on a full walking tour of Chatuchak Park. Although this park isn't very big, most people don't even see the whole thing. Make sure you stick around till the end of the video. I'm gonna show you the secret little bit at the end. Let's go! The thing about Chatuchak Park is it's where the locals come. It's not your typical tourist park. I know, it's right next to Chatuchak Market. This is where locals love to come and visit. It's just so peaceful here. There's loads of nature here at Chatuchak Park. My favorite animal to see are the monitor lizards. You see some really small baby ones, but I love seeing the enormous ones that are well over 1 meter long. Another thing I really love about this park is you're going to find amazing sculptures absolutely everywhere. They're scattered throughout the park, so make sure you keep an eye open. I love seeing all the different animals in this park. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but there are some squirrels just over there playing tag. So cute. It might not seem like it, but we are in Bangkok right now, so obviously it's pretty hot. Luckily, whoever made the park thought about it and have made really comfy benches all over the place, so you can sit down, cool off and have a water whenever you need. I'm gonna take a little break now, then we'll hit the road again and I'll show you what else we can find. The other thing that's really great about Thailand parks is you're never that far from street food. Think about it, we're in Bangkok. Street food is everywhere. It's never that far away. Whether you're working out or exercising, this is gonna come in super handy. We'll see if we can grab some street food from one of the vendors on our way around the park. Don't be fooled. Those bridges are a lot steeper than they look. Another thing that I find really cool is that there are hundreds of different plant varieties here. And what's even cooler, you can find out all about them. You already know I'm a big nature lover, and what I really love is they've put helpful little QR codes on all of the plaques, so you can find out even more. If you've been to Bangkok, this probably sounds familiar. You're walking down the street, you're having a great day, when all of a sudden, boom, a terrible smell hits you right in the face. You know what I'm talking about, right? That awful stinky Bangkok drain smell. Well, I'm here to reassure you, you're not gonna find any of that here. This park is one of the cleanest in Bangkok, smells great, got the amazing fresh air, breeze all around you. Guys, you've just gotta come and visit. It's so lovely. Another good thing, you can't smoke here. It smells really good. Yay, fresh air. Wow, I can't get over how many trees there are right now. I don't feel like I'm in Bangkok at all. It feels like I'm in a forest. It's such a cool feeling. One of the things I love about Chatuchak Park is it's not the busiest park, it's not like Lumpini. The name might sound a little bit familiar to you. It's actually right next to Chatuchak Market. You get a little bit more space, more time to yourself, more time to enjoy all the nature. And speaking of nature, there's so much of it here. You're gonna see squirrels, you're gonna see loads of monitor lizards. I'm from New Zealand, so obviously nature is something that's really, really important to me. This is the place I like to come to get away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Makes me feel like I'm a bit more at home. When most people think of running in Bangkok, they think of Lumpini Park, right? You probably did too. I like to think of Chatuchak Park as like the secret gem of running spots in Bangkok. They even have really clear signposts showing exactly how far you've been. Isn't that cool? So much love and care goes into this park. Just look at this topiary. It's so beautiful. You'll spot them absolutely everywhere, but this one is one of my favorites. There are beautiful flower gardens all over the park. It's just so amazing to walk around. If you're wondering about these road cones, well, after the sun starts going down, they put them up so people know exactly where to run. A unique thing in Thailand is sometimes you have to stop in the middle of the path, monitor lizards crossing. So you might be wondering what's in the area around Chatuchak Park. Well, one of the great things is it's super easy to get here. You might be able to see up here, there's the BTS, also known as the SkyTrain, and just down the road, there's the MRT, which is the underground train. There are so many ways to get here. You can't make any excuses. Come along, you just need to come and visit. This is the part of the park I've been really excited to show you guys. It's furthest away from Chatuchak Market. Not a lot of people come here. It's so quiet and so peaceful. It's where you're going to find all the nature. This is where you'll see the most monitor lizards, the most squirrels. I love how calming it is down this side of Chatuchak Park. I'm just going to sit here and take in the view. I love this park, and actually, I really love all of Bangkok's parks. Subscribe to this channel and I'll show you all of the parks in Bangkok. So once you've finished that secret end of the park, you've got a choice. You can either go the rest of the loop, or you can sneak out the side exit and see if there's any street food for sale. That's what we're doing. We're gonna see if the coconut guy's there. You know I love a good coconut. Let's go check it out. There's so much nature. Just look at this little guy. He's so cute. Oh, awesome. The coconut guy is here. Let's go get one. They're always so good. You guys know I love a good coconut, and this one was taken right out of the freezer. It's super cold and refreshing after that hot day in the park. I've just finished my coconut and we've gone back into the park. I'm going to show you the rest of the loop now, which is where all the runners go. If you're enjoying this walking tour, then let me know in the comments. Where do you want to see me next? But anyway, back to this walking tour. Let's go! If this spot looks familiar, it's where we came for Loy Krathong. If you haven't already seen that one, make sure you check it out at the end of this video. They've just turned the fountains on and they're looking amazing. Down now, and we've got another beautiful Bangkok sunset on our hands. You should definitely time your walk around this. Okay guys, gotta run. Okay, we'll catch you in the next one.
Yeah.